Are you faced with a life challenge, or you're believing God for a breakthrough? Your commitment through prayer and fasting is a sign of your total trust in God to meet you at your point of need. So join us for our monthly week of prayer and fasting.
I will move ahead, bold and confident,
where we seek God intimately and explore His Word, running from Thursday 26th all the way through Saturday 28th of February 2015. Please connect with one of our ushers at the end of this service for the prayer points and direction, or you can also follow us on Facebook for your daily reminders.
I will worship while I'm waiting.